Why is Shein declining your card? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a common frustration many online shoppers face, getting their card declined while trying to make a purchase on Shein. There are several reasons why Shein might be declining your card, and I'm here to break it down for you. First things first, double check the details you have entered. Make sure your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address are all correct. Even the smallest typo can lead to a decline. Next up, ensure that you have enough funds available in your account to cover the purchase. If your balance is too low, the transaction may be declined. Some cards have restrictions on online transactions or international purchases. Contact your bank to make sure your card is authorized for online transactions and purchases from international merchants like Shein. Your bank may flag the transaction as potentially fraudulent if it's unusual compared to your typical spending habits. You might need to authorize the transaction with your bank. Check if your card has expired. If the expiration date is close, some systems may decline it. If your card has been involved in any suspicious activity or if there have been previous unauthorized attempts to use it, your bank may have been temporarily blocked transactions for your safety. Sometimes the issue might not be with your card but with Shein's payment processing system. In such cases, try again later or using a different payment method might resolve the issue. So there you have it. Those are some of the common reasons why Shein might be declining your card. If none of these solutions work, don't hesitate to reach out to Shein's customer support or your bank for further assistance. Thanks for watching.